Disclaimer. My name is Nrupin and I am not anyhow authorized by Stock Exchange Board of India to recommend stocks. So the stock analysis done by me in this video should be considered as personal opinion and not recommendation. If you want to buy based on my analysis, at least be sure you understood analysis. Don't buy anything you don't understand because all analysis is done based on current market conditions and market conditions can change without notice. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Always diversify and plan your investments. If you love free analysis and want me to upload more free analysis videos, then don't forget to support this channel. If you prefer online shopping from Amazon or Flipkart and you shop from them frequently, like once or twice a month, then give them a visit from sponsored links given in description during purchase. Like this, you will not have to directly pay me for analysis, nor I will feel bad that I am not getting paid for running this channel on investing. Hi guys, as you know, Diwali is here. Almost all brokerage firms and industry experts have given their opinion on stocks that are fundamentally strong right now and can be bought as Diwali Dhamaka stocks. So the list is very big, so I'm just covering the stocks that are commonly given by most of them. And here's our list. If you want to see complete list of stocks that have been recommended by each of them, then you can visit the link below in the description of this video. The very first common stock is Allcargo Logistics, recommended by Prabhudas Leeladhar and Ventura. Now, as my personal opinion, I have seen that Prabhudas Leeladhar always gives really very solid fundamental stocks. I have followed him for a long time and I know that his stocks usually are extremely good. And Ventura has been giving buy call on Allcargo since it was trading for 79 rupees. So you can be sure that this stock is already fundamentally strong. Still, we will have our look on balance sheet. So here's balance sheet of Allcargo Logistics, and as you can see, net worth has steadily grown since December 2010. There are some quite unsteady loans, but it's fine looking at the aggression at which Allcargo Logistics is growing. Next is their profit statement, and as you can see, each and every year the sales are growing and the EPS has remained quite unsteady, which means the margins has remained quite unsteady. Well, as I already told you, unsteady margins aren't problem. The problem are if you aren't selling goods, and as you can see, the net sales and income from operations are growing every year. We can be sure that they are actually selling more and more goods and are making more and more profits. On technical front too, we can see that the price hasn't gone down, but the price momentum has gone down. So here we can say that Allcargo Logistics is showing bullish sensitivity. So whenever this sensitivity will end, we can expect some solid upside. Now Ventura has given a target of about 700 for Allcargo Logistics, and so far as my personal experience with Ventura's calls, I can surely say that majority of their calls always hit their targets. So Allcargo is totally go from my side if you want to buy it. The next is HDFC Bank. Now HDFC Bank is given by Motilal Oswal and Prabhudas Leeladhar, and as I already told you, Prabhudas Leeladhar is one of those fundamental analysts whom I regularly follow. So on balance sheet, we will actually not look a lot on deposit on borrowings because it's a bank, so you shouldn't be actually considering these as their negatives. What we can see here is net worth is steadily growing each and every year. Second, on profit and loss statement, we can see that total income is also growing and earnings per share is also growing. Now here you will see 84 and 22. Don't get really confused here because it underweight split there. This is how it appears on technical front. By the way, it really isn't looking that strong on technical front, but if it breaks the resistance of 1125, then I think it will be a go from technical front too. Next is ICICI Bank, commonly recommended by Ventura and Kotak. Now here's ICICI Bank's balance sheet, and again we can see a steady growth in net worth, and on profit statement also we can see a steady growth in total income, and EPS is also increasing. Now here it underwent split, so considering that, this EPS is good as compared to this one. Now here's on technical front, it isn't really looking strong anywhere, but still if it crosses 300 then surely it will be a buy from technical front too. The next is Infosys. On balance sheet of Infosys we can see net worth steadily growing. There is no problem. There are zero secured and unsecured loans. So if you can see, this is very clean balance sheet, and if you have to rate on terms of balance sheet, Infosys is a very good stock. Now on results, you can see that total income from operations are increasing every year. EPS, by the way, hasn't remained steady, because we know that during these last 2 years dollar prices has fluctuated a lot. So considering the fact that they have been selling more and more services, this isn't bad even though the EPS is not strong. Now on technical front, Infosys isn't looking good to me because I can't see any positive strength on weekly chart. Even on monthly chart I cannot see anything positive on Infosys. So practically, if I would have to advise on Infosys, I will surely say no, even though fundamentally it has been rated good. The next on list is Intellect Design Arena. Now the problem with this stock is that this got listed this same year, but has been given fundamentally strong by Kotak, Nirmal Bang and other brokerage firms. So practically what I can say that we currently don't have any easily verifiable fundamental data for Intellect Design, but looking at its chart I can surely say that it looks pretty good for now. There might be little correction happening here, but I also feel that technically it is in upside. Also keep in mind that for giving a long-term perspective, there is too little data on Intellect Design. So if you understand technical analysis to a greater extent, then only then take position in Intellect Design Arena, else you can skip it. The next on list is Maruti. Here is balance sheet of Maruti, and as you can see, net worth steadily growing. We can totally ignore the unsecured loans taken by Maruti because it always reports profit more than 200 crore. How hard for them would be to pay these small loans? These surely are taken to get tax benefit, so that's not really a big problem. Here again we can see that net sales are increasing every year, and so as we can see here, EPS is also increasing. In fact, there is no practical debate on Maruti on its fundamental growth, because each and every day it is reporting crazy numbers of cars. Maruti is exporting and also providing to its local business in India, and Maruti is on fire when it comes to selling new cars and exporting them. The fact is that I have also held Maruti stocks after knowing that they have been selling crazy amount of cars. My personal target is almost 5,700 for Maruti, and that should give you an idea that I am not only fundamentally but also strong on its technical front, because I myself have hold shares of Maruti. The next is Walson Industries, recommended by Way to Wealth, Ventura and ICICI Direct. Here's the balance sheet for Walson Industries, and as you can see, net worth is steadily increasing. Unsecured debts has been reduced to almost zero. The secured loans are also getting reduced, and here we can see total income from sales is increasing. EPS is also increasing with it. On technical front too, it is strong and showing bullish sensitivity. Now here is a quick thing that Walson is also trading at its book value, currently looking strong both fundamentally and technically. It can surely be called as a value pick if you want to buy it. For a long term, Walson can be a really good stock. If I had to create any other value pick video, then be sure Walson is the one that would have been in that video. So that's it for now. Allcargo is by HDFC, not very sure. ICICI Bank, not sure again. Infosys, not sure. Intellect design, yes, can be bought if you know technical analysis. Maruti, I myself have held shares of it. And Walson Industry, a definite value pick. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.